Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Express. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, front-wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, compass, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.